The AI boom is transforming the landscape of our economy in unprecedented ways. As artificial intelligence technologies continue to evolve, they are reshaping industries, enhancing productivity, and creating new opportunities for innovation. From machine learning algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data to AI-driven automation that streamlines operations, the significance of AI in today's economy cannot be overstated. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution that is redefining how we work and live. For individuals and businesses alike, the potential to capitalize on these advancements is immense. Entrepreneurs are leveraging AI to develop smarter products and services, while established companies are integrating AI solutions to improve efficiency and reduce costs. This shift opens up a wealth of opportunities for those willing to adapt and embrace these technologies. Whether you're a small business owner looking to enhance customer experiences or an investor seeking the next big opportunity, understanding AI's impact is crucial. As we navigate this rapidly changing landscape, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Knowledge is power, and being aware of emerging trends can position you ahead of the curve. By keeping an eye on AI advancements, you can identify potential opportunities that may arise, ensuring you're not left behind in this exciting new era. So let's dive deeper into the AI boom and explore how you can harness its potential for financial growth and success. Understanding the AI boom. The AI boom refers to the rapid advancement and adoption of artificial intelligence technologies across various sectors, fundamentally altering how businesses operate and interact with consumers. This phenomenon is relevant in industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing, where AI is being utilized to enhance decision-making, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. As organizations increasingly recognize the value of AI, its integration into everyday operations has become a game changer. Recent advancements in AI technology, including natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning, have significantly expanded the capabilities of these systems. For instance, AI algorithms can now analyze vast data sets in real time, providing insights that were previously unattainable. This not only streamlines processes, but also enables businesses to make data-driven decisions that enhance their competitive edge. The implications of these advancements are profound, as they allow companies to respond more swiftly to market changes and consumer demands. Moreover, AI is transforming traditional business models by automating routine tasks and enabling personalized customer experiences. Companies are shifting from a one-size-fits-all approach to tailored solutions that meet individual needs, creating new markets in the process. For example, the rise of AI-driven chatbots has revolutionized customer service, allowing businesses to provide 24/7 support while reducing operational costs. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly unlock even more opportunities, reshaping industries and paving the way for innovative business strategies. Understanding these trends is essential for anyone looking to thrive in the modern economy. Financial opportunities in AI. The AI boom is not just a technological revolution, it's also a goldmine of financial opportunities across various sectors. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and e-commerce are experiencing significant revenue growth driven by AI innovations. In healthcare, for instance, AI is being used for predictive analytics, improving patient outcomes while reducing costs. In finance, AI algorithms are enhancing fraud detection and risk assessment, leading to more secure transactions and increased profitability for financial institutions. For investors, the landscape is ripe with opportunities in both AI startups and established companies. Startups focusing on niche applications of AI, such as personalized marketing or supply chain optimization, are attracting significant venture capital. Meanwhile, established tech giants are continually investing in AI research and development, making them attractive options for long-term investments. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are not only leading the charge in AI advancements, but also generating substantial returns for their shareholders. Success stories abound, showcasing individuals and businesses that have profited from AI. For example, a small retail company that implemented AI-driven inventory management saw a 30% reduction in costs and a 20% increase in sales within a year. Similarly, entrepreneurs who have developed AI-based applications for specific industries have found lucrative markets, often scaling their businesses rapidly. These examples illustrate that the financial opportunities presented by the AI boom are vast and varied. By recognizing and seizing these opportunities, individuals and businesses can position themselves for success in this dynamic landscape. How to get involved. Engaging with the AI boom is an exciting journey that anyone can embark on, and there are several actionable steps you can take to get started. First and foremost, educating yourself about AI technologies is crucial. There are numerous online resources available, such as Coursera, edX, and Udacity, which offer courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Books like Artificial Intelligence, A Guide to Intelligent Systems and Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow are also excellent resources to deepen your understanding. Once you have a foundational knowledge, consider exploring various AI tools and platforms that can enhance your personal or business endeavors. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Google Cloud AI provide accessible ways to experiment with machine learning and data analysis. For businesses, platforms like Salesforce Einstein and IBM Watson can help integrate AI into your operations, improving efficiency and customer engagement. Networking is another vital aspect of getting involved in the AI community. Attend local meetups, webinars, and conferences focused on AI to connect with like-minded individuals and industry experts. Platforms like Meetup.com and Eventbrite often list events where you can learn and collaborate with others passionate about AI. Additionally, joining online forums and communities, such as those on LinkedIn or Reddit, can provide valuable insights and foster connections. By taking these steps, educating yourself, exploring AI tools, and networking, you can actively participate in the AI boom and position yourself for future opportunities in this dynamic field. Challenges and considerations. As we dive deeper into the AI boom, it's essential to address the potential challenges and ethical considerations that accompany this technological advancement. One common misconception about AI is that it can operate independently and make decisions without human oversight. In reality, AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on and the algorithms that power them. Understanding these limitations is crucial for setting realistic expectations about what AI can achieve. Ethical concerns also loom large in the AI space, particularly regarding data privacy and the potential for bias in AI algorithms. As businesses increasingly rely on AI to analyze personal data, the risk of infringing on individual privacy rights becomes a pressing issue. Moreover, if AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Addressing these ethical dilemmas requires a commitment to transparency and accountability in AI development. Finally, it's vital to encourage critical thinking about the long-term impacts of AI on society. While AI has the potential to drive significant advancements, it also raises questions about job displacement, economic inequality, and the future of human interaction. Engaging in discussions about these topics can help us navigate the complexities of AI and ensure that its benefits are distributed equitably. By being aware of these challenges and considerations, we can work towards a future where AI serves humanity responsibly and ethically. In summary, the AI boom represents a transformative force in today's economy, offering significant financial potential across various sectors. We've explored how industries like healthcare, finance, and retail are leveraging AI technologies to enhance efficiency and drive revenue growth. The opportunities for individuals and businesses to capitalize on these advancements are vast, whether through investing in AI startups, utilizing AI tools, or adapting traditional business models to incorporate AI solutions. Taking action is crucial in this rapidly evolving landscape. By educating yourself about AI technologies, exploring available tools, and networking within the AI community, you can position yourself to seize the opportunities that arise. Remember, the key to thriving in this new era is staying informed and proactive. If you found this discussion valuable, we encourage you to engage with our content further. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and its impact on various industries. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or colleagues who might also benefit from understanding the AI boom. Your support helps us create more informative content and fosters a community of individuals eager to learn and grow in this exciting field. Together, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by AI, ensuring that we all benefit from its potential. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.